talk about MiFi, M-I-F-I. It is a mobile internet that you can carry with you, or you can use it at home. It is similar to Wi-Fi in your house. The only difference is that the Wi-Fi in your house works or get the internet from the cable or from the landline. But for a MiFi, I can show you one example here. Get the internet from a SIM card. There's a SIM card slot here that get the internet. I'm gonna use a 5G SIM card. As a reference point, I am using this SIM card first in my phone, and it is a 5G phone. So just test the speed. I use fast.com to check the speed, and right now the speed for this 5G SIM card shows at about 7.8 megabits per second. This is not great. I mean, one thing that I noticed about 5G SIM cards is that they're kind of variable depending on the time of the day and where you are. They give you a lot of different speeds, from very low like this one to very high like 80, 90 or more than 100 megabits per second. This is the third system, ZTE. That's kind of a famous Chinese company making electronic devices. And this is the actual device, and it comes with a cable for charging and also the power block. The battery cannot be removed, but you can insert the SIM card to a tray here, and there is like a pin for removing the tray to put the SIM card inside to make it work. Okay, let's take a look at some of the details of this on the Amazon website, and then we come back to the functionality of the system. This is the Amazon.ca web information for this product. Right now it shows that currently unavailable, but when it becomes available it should be around $60 Canadian dollar. So the title, the name of this device is ZTE Max Connect Unlocked Mobile Wi-Fi Hotspot, up to 150 megabits per second download speed, connect up to 10 devices. And these are like different pictures from front, back, sides. Okay, now let's get to the actual information for on the back of this device, and then we will test the device. This is part of the sticker on the back of the device. The serial number, IMEI number, I have covered those, but the important part is the Wi-Fi name that you see, MF928 underscore and etc. And also the Wi-Fi password. You see, this is like you have to write it down and then we use it later. And in case that you need to go to the software of the device to get inside the device and make any changes, this is the address 192.168.1.1. In case that the device does not connect automatically to the internet, or if you want to make any changes to the name, password or APN number. We'll get to that later. Okay, this system is already charged, so it's ready to insert the SIM card. So this is the tray. You see there is a small hole. Just put the pin inside the hole and press, and you see that the SIM card tray comes out. Just pull it out. According to the size, there should be a nano SIM card, so we put the same 5G SIM card inside, and then put the tray back into the device. Press it, Now the system should be ready. So let's see if it connects automatically to the system, to the internet. So just press and hold the start or on button until we see the light comes on. Yes, you see the light for the battery comes on. As I mentioned, the battery is already charged. So there are three other lights. Let's see if the other lights automatically comes on. There is one light for the internet access, the second one, and the last one on the right side. You see, this is the network and the SIM card, that it is green, also blinking. So the system should be automatically connected to the internet, and now we should have internet on this device. The next step, we are going to my phone and check the internet, the Wi-Fi name and password, and then we get to the system. For this ZTE device, now it is connected to the internet, and you see on the list of Wi-Fi on my phone, the second one is MF928. This is the Wi-Fi name for this ZTE device. Let's just choose this one, and then it asks for password, the same password that we saw on the back of the device. I just enter it now. There is nothing secret about this because everybody can easily change that, and each device comes with its own unique password, so there is nothing secret about this one. So let us connect. Okay, now it says that it is connected. Let's now go to the fast.com and see what is the speed of this device. Looks like close to 25 megabits per second. Okay, now 26 megabits per second. This third device, ZTE, is better than the other two. This gives me a better internet speed. Now let's go back to the Wi-Fi list, and then for the same Wi-Fi on the ZTE, let's just choose the settings and then manage router. Okay, it asks for the password in order to get to the manager of the device, and the password is the same password that was used for the internet, for the Wi-Fi. So just putting the same password. Each device is different, so you have to look in the back of the device, see what is the username, password for each specific device. There is no general rule for any of this. Okay, now we enter the device manager. This is some basic stuff for this device that you can see on your phone, but the third option on the list, you see PC view. Let's just choose that one because that gives us more option. Okay, it just gives you the option to enter the web or PC view, but it gives you the warning that the full function may not work. Probably there should be enough function to choose from here. So on top you see at the top right, settings, just choose that one, settings, and then now you see on the left side all the settings that you can choose on this system, like network setting and the data roaming, APN. Remember, one of the major information on any of these Wi-Fi, mobile Wi-Fi or MiFi devices is APN address. And for this one, there was no automatic connection to the internet. So I had to actually enter the APN name manually. So you see the APN name on this list. So I entered it manually. That's how I connected to the internet. So it could not automatically detect the settings. So sometimes for any of these devices you have to do it manually. This is the only tricky part of these systems, APN name. So you have to get to the system, software or manager, and then change the APN according to the service provider of the SIM card. And then a bunch of other stuff here. You see Wi-Fi settings. It gives you the name on top. You can change the name and password. You can change the password to whatever, an easier one maybe, or any other password that you like. This is gonna be unique. So this is basically the all the information that you need to change or view on the app.